MicroStation Essentials Array. The Array tool is a very powerful tool that allows you to create multiple copies of an element that are regularly spaced apart. You can array with a rectangular, polar, or a path-based method. You can rotate elements in the array when it's being created. And you can also select multiple elements to array. You'll find the array tools in your main task with your manipulation tools. So looking in your manipulation task, you'll find array. Here are the methods in the tool settings available for the construct array command. You can go rectangular, where you can add rows and columns and spacings. So in this case, if I wanted to add 3 rows and 5 columns spaced 2 by 2, I would then have to go in and select the element I'd like to array. It demonstrates where these elements are going to be placed, giving you the opportunity to cancel or reject what you've done. You can also rotate these if you needed to by a certain amount, and that's going to rotate the entire array here. In addition, you can do polar arrays, and the polar array is going to simply allow you to go around a circular object. So here you want to identify the element, and you can have several different ways of setting it up here. So picking the element, picking the center point, you can move it around to do a variety of different types of polar arrays. You also have the ability to array along a path. Here you can choose to specify a distance that you'd like to go, a number, or both. If we start with a number, I'd like to create 10 copies that are evenly spaced along this path. So identify the element I want to array, the start point of the path, and the end point of the path. I could also specify number, distance, and both. So here I can specify the number of copies, and now I can specify the distance I want those copies to be arrayed over. So select the element and the start point of the path. And then you can choose how those things are going to be spaced apart. So, the array tool, very helpful tool when you want to create multiple copies of an element that are regularly spaced apart. It has the methods of rectangular, polar, and path-based. You can also rotate elements in the array when it's created, and if you want to, you can select multiple elements at the beginning and array multiple elements at one time.